Are you looking for the fastest and perfect recipe for losing weight? You have got it. This is interesting and magical recipe you probably have never tried before. Watch this video until the end. Here is what we have shared with you today, the perfect recipe that has worked for most people. Have at least 3 tablespoons of raw honey. Slice a raw lime into thin slices. Put together in a bowl with honey, add 1 cup of hot water, cover the bowl and leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, drain the tea. If you have a table vinegar, add 1 tablespoon. Take a drink every morning in an empty stomach for 7 consecutive days. Enjoy the magical results of this recipe. Remember to avoid eating too much carbohydrate food, especially before sleeping time for at least 2 weeks' time after using this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.